Have you ever watched something and thought, there's no way that's real? Like when someone solves a Rubik's Cube in 2 seconds or draws a perfect portrait without even sketching? We're used to hearing that great things take time. But what if that's no longer true? Artificial intelligence is doing the impossible. Tasks that used to take weeks, years, or weren't even possible, AI now completes in just seconds. Whether it's making art, solving huge problems, or just creating hilarious videos, AI is changing everything, and most people aren't ready for how fast it's moving. Let's count down 10 crazy moments where AI did what humans thought couldn't be done. You'll laugh, you'll be shocked, and some moments will feel like scenes from a cartoon, because some literally are. 10. AI wrote a full movie script in 30 seconds. Imagine telling a group of Hollywood writers that a robot could write an entire movie. They'd probably laugh at you, right? But tools like ChatGPT and other advanced models have done just that. With a single prompt, people have created short films, full dialogue scenes, and even entire screenplays. A group of creators even turned one into an animated film, and while it had its weird moments, looking at you, most chaotic 2 minutes in AI SpongeBob history, it made people laugh. It felt like watching a try not to laugh impossible video mashed up with memes in low-resolution V13. Yes, it's that wild. Still think it's impossible? 9. AI translated a sentence into 50+ languages in seconds. Here's a simple sentence. Did you get hungry? Now try saying it in Greek, Japanese, Arabic, and 20 more languages without using Google. Hard, right? AI can do this instantly. Programs like DeepL and Google Translate, powered by machine learning, can now translate full pages of text accurately, with tone and meaning intact. This isn't just helpful for travelers, it's changing global communication. So next time you need to say, translate, did you get hungry into Greek? You don't need a translator. You just need AI. 8. AI SpongeBob live streams that never end. Here's something nobody saw coming. AI-powered SpongeBob episodes that run 24/7, completely unscripted and unpredictable. These live streams use voice cloning tools and deep learning to generate conversations between characters like SpongeBob, Patrick, and Squidward, all in real time. Some of the episodes go completely off the rails, turning into AI SpongeBob memes that feel like fever dreams. The internet calls it AI Sponge livestream madness, and it's a strange but perfect example of how AI is changing entertainment. It's like the best moments from AI Sponge are being created every second, with zero writers. 7. AI can clone voices from 3 seconds of audio. We've always heard it takes a lot of practice to mimic someone's voice, but AI doesn't need practice, it just needs data. Tools like 11 Labs and Meta's voice cloning system can replicate someone's voice from just a 3-second clip. This has sparked massive debates about privacy and ethics, but also opened up creative doors. Imagine bringing back the voice of a character who passed away, or hearing your own words read in Morgan Freeman's voice. It sounds fake, but it's real. Some TikToks even use this in breathe in, breathe out TikTok trends to prank people. 6th, AI turns any text into an image instantly. Want a picture of SpongeBob eating noodles in space while riding a shark? AI has you covered. Tools like Midjourney, DALLE, and Stable Diffusion turn plain text into images within seconds. Some are so realistic they've tricked people into thinking they're real photos. This is huge for artists, marketers, and meme makers. You could recreate an offensive meme compilation or a masterpiece just by typing a sentence. For content creators, it's like having a superpower. Just imagine, no more hours spent designing. You just type and get results. 5. AI makes personalized workout routines and diet plans. Hiring a personal trainer can be expensive, but what if an AI could do it for free? Fitness-focused AIs now analyze your body type, goals, and even how much you sleep to build detailed workout and diet routines. Some even adjust in real time based on your progress. 4. AI helped doctors. Find a rare disease in under a minute. There was a real case where doctors were struggling to diagnose a child. Multiple tests, specialists, and months of searching led to no answers. But then AI analyzed her genetic data and medical history and gave a diagnosis in seconds. This was something even experienced doctors missed, and it saved her life. In a world where people wait months for test results, AI is bringing speed and hope. This isn't just about fun or memes. It's real life-changing technology. AI and reality are starting to blend. 3. AI solved a 50-year-old scientific puzzle. Protein folding sounds boring, until you learn that understanding how proteins fold helps scientists cure diseases. For 50 years, this problem stumped researchers. But in 2020, DeepMind's AI model AlphaFold cracked it. 2. AI beat a champion at a game humans ruled for centuries. Games like chess and Go are complex, with millions of possible moves. For years, it was said that no machine could truly master Go, a game even most humans struggle with. But then AI stepped in. Google's AlphaGo beat the world champion in 2016. The way it played shocked everyone. It made moves no human ever thought of, completely redefining the game. It wasn't just about winning, it was about thinking in a new way. AI didn't just play the game, it changed the rules. 1. AI recreated someone's face using only audio. You heard that right. AI can now guess what you look like based on your voice alone. Researchers developed models that analyze vocal tone, accent, and rhythm to predict facial features. The results aren't perfect, but they're shockingly close. Think about what that means. Your voice could unlock a digital version of you. This raises all kinds of questions about identity, privacy, and reality. But it also shows just how far this technology has come. It's the kind of thing you see in sci-fi movies or in AI SpongeBob meme parodies, but it's happening now. From writing scripts to predicting faces, AI is proving that the word impossible doesn't mean much anymore. We used to laugh at the idea of a machine creating music, or solving science problems, or making you cry with a SpongeBob episode that was completely made by a computer. But now, it's part of our everyday lives. And sure, some of it still feels weird. Like, Mommy, what is it, Caillou, weird? But the truth is, the world is changing. And if you want more impossible stories turned possible, make sure to subscribe